Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping well and please be safe. So, my dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, Eat Well to Be Healthy. Nutrient basics. Food. Food is any edible material that supports growth, repair and maintenance of the body. Edible means which is eatable, which we can eat. So edible material means eatable material. Any edible substance that we consume to fulfill our daily requirement of nutrition is known as food. So whatever we eat, in that nutrition is present. So it helps us to grow, it helps us to repair our tissue, and it helps us to maintain our body. Food. What food does in the body does through the nutrients and contains. The body utilizes these nutrients to grow and keep healthy and strong. All nutrients needed by the body available through foods. Through food only we get all the nutrients. Nutrition definition. The process of nourishing the body, supplying what is necessary to sustain life. Nutrients are chemical compounds needed for growth, repair, energy and regulation of the body functions. So if you want to do any work, if you want to grow, and if we get any one, if it has to get well soon, repair, and if we want to do any work, energy, all these things, nutrition is very, very essential. So objective of nutrition. Already we have learned to promote the physical and mental growth, both growth we need, and development of human beings. Second one, building and repairing of tissue and cells damaged by infection and injuries. Infection means we get through microorganisms, and injuries means when we fall down. To provide energy for doing works. So if we want to do any work, we need energy. To protect the human beings from infections and deficiency disorders, like protein deficiency, carbohydrate deficiency, like this we get many deficiencies. So when we have good nutrition in our body, we may not fall in deficiency diseases. Essential nutrients: carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. So your body needs nutrients to fuel your energy, help you grow, repair itself, maintain basic bodily functions. Already we have seen the 6 essential nutrients. So water. Did you know? Half to 3/4 of the human body consists of water. Functions in the body. Water carries nutrients to cells and carries waste from your body. Regulates body temperature. Dissolve vitamins, minerals, amino acid and other nutrients. See, whatever we have like vitamins, minerals, amino acids, all these things are dissolved in our body with the help of water, and it helps us to regulate body temperature. When we drink water, our body temperature will go down. First one is carbohydrates. Food sources. Pasta, breads, cereals, grains, rice, fruits, milk, yogurt and sweets. All these things contains carbohydrates. 2 types of carbohydrates. Starches or complex carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates. These carbohydrates gives us energy. Most of the energy we need comes from carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates like fruits, juice, milk and yogurt, candy, soda and jelly. These simple carbohydrates have bad reputation because they are high in calories and low in nutrition level. Starches are complex carbohydrates. Food sources: whole grain, breads and cereals, pasta, vegetables, rice and legumes. Functions in the body, an excellent source of fuel energy for the body, rich in vitamins, minerals and fiber. Next one is protein. So food sources, meat, fish, egg, poultry, dairy products, legumes, nuts and seeds, etc. Even vegetables also contain small amount of proteins. Functions in the body, it provides us energy, help to build, maintain and repair body tissues. And these help us to grow. They give the body the material it's needed to mend injured parts and to make new blood, hair and skin. Fat. Food sources, butter, vegetable, oils, salad dressings, nuts and seeds, dairy products made with whole milk or cream and meats. Functions in the body, provide substances needed for growth and healthy skin, enhance the taste and texture of food, require to carry fat-soluble vitamins throughout the body and provide energy. So during winter season and all, we have to have the food which is rich in fat because it keeps our body warm. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic substances made by plants or animals. They are required by the body in small amounts to regulate metabolism and to maintain normal growth and function. Metabolism is the chemical process in the digestion. So food sources, fruits, vegetables, milk, whole grain bread, cereals and legumes. Unlike carbohydrates, fats and proteins, vitamins do not provide energy. Functions in the body, help regulate the many chemical processes in the body. It regulates. There are 13 different vitamins known to be required each day for good health. Vitamins are separated into two types, fat soluble and water soluble. They also form a layer under the skin. This layer keeps us warm, as I told before. So these are the fat soluble and these are the water soluble vitamins. A, D, E, K fat soluble and vitamin C and B complex is water soluble vitamins. Minerals. Food sources, meats, bean, nuts, fruits, vegetables, dairy products and grains. Functions in the body of minerals. The body depends on minerals for particularly every process necessary for life. In life, what are the processes necessary? Practically, every process, whatever it needed, everything depends on minerals. Minerals actually becomes a part of the body. The body requires 16 kinds of minerals for daily. Example of minerals, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, iron and other include like iodine, zinc, copper, sulfur, chloride and etc. Packets of salt have the word iodine, iodized written on them. Iodine is a mineral that a body needs to work well. Iodized means with iodine. Spinach and seafood have iodine, like fish, crab, all these things have more iodine, and especially in the salt. Next one is diet. A diet which contains different types of food possessing the nutrients. So how much food we are eating, that doesn't matter, but the food which we eat, whether it contains all the nutrients, especially carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. So the food which contains all these essential nutrients is known as diet. What is nutrition? Good nutrition. Eating well balanced meals with plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables promotes good health and prevents diseases. So this is the image of a good diet. Eating well does not mean eating a lot. It means eating enough of all the nutrients your body needs. If you eat more than your body needs, the extra food gets stored in your body as fat. Diet means the kind of food we generally eat. A balanced diet has the right amount of all the nutrients the body needs. It must have the right amounts of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. It must also have the minerals and vitamins that our body needs. So, you may like particular food. Continuously, if you have the same food, you will get same kind of nutrition. Like like rice, if you like, rice contains only carbohydrates. If you have some pulses, then it contains only proteins. If you have cheese, milk, all these things, it contains only fat and calcium. So, you have to mix and have everything, all the nutrition things which is rich in the food. So, my dear students, you just go through the video and just read out as I told in the study material. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.